my gosh.
Mama Girl PH here with Miss Belle.
Yes, good
And
afternoon.
sabihin po natin kung ano po yung ating product.
Yeah, we cater actually, we're the importer of Norwegian salmon.
Norwegian salmon.
Yeah.
Okay. So
And-
kanina po nabanggit nyo na inaangkat nyo po from
Yes,
From
and
Norway
we-
directly.
yes.
And what you do po?
We arrive, mayroon kaming importation of whole, and then we do the processing.
Processing.
Yes.
Yan. Okay. Ano po yung...
Our main plant is in Angeles City actually.
Okay
But
po.
our sales office is located here in Makati.
So ano po yung major na kinakater po ninyo mga
Norwegian salmon.
Norwegian salmon sa mga food service ano po ba?
Hotels,
Hotels
and restaurants.
and restaurants.
Yes.
Available din po ba yan sa retail?
Yes, ma'am. Meron kaming mga shops around us.
Oh, that's
Opo.
good. Okay. So naka-cover po natin yung buong nationwide po yung coverage po natin
Yes,
right now.
because meron kaming Davao din actually.
Ayan, so exciting, no?
Subic, Davao, and Dagupan.
All over the Philippines sa pala.
Yes.
Okay, so
Hopefully, talagang all over na siya.
ayan. Thank you very much, Ma'am Belle.
You're welcome,
Belle, and this is Mama Girl. See ya.
Thank you. Thank you for your